everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you read title below, today I am going to do cheap nail extension at home. So I have pretty much long nails, so I usually don't do nail extension at a salon or anything. So in this video I am going to show you this nail extension kit which I got from local market for rupees 10 only, and it comes with 12 nails and this glue. And these nails stay for 2 to 3 days, and if you want to stay these nails for 2 to 3 weeks, you can use Miss Claire's glue, and it is available on Amazon, Nykaa or anything online site. So let's get into the video. If you enjoy watching this video, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also do not forget to follow me on Instagram, and if you want more videos of such kind of nail extension and nail art, you can message me on Instagram or comment box, and also press the bell icon that you can never miss my video notification in first go.